Hi, in front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. First of all, select two of your apps that you wish to use in this view and open them in the background. Then access background apps. Now you need to pick one of your apps that you wish to use on the left side of your screen and click on the icon of it. Now click on Split Left and tap on this second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the left or to the right and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!